Welcome back to the slot car room. I'm Rich, and today is Tyco Tuesday. What we have here is a 44 Coupe Drk-Blu on an HP7 chassis. Pretty cool looking car. Put it over here in the dyno for a few minutes, let it warm up while I look it up in the book for you. Coupe page 34, 35. There it is right there. Dark blue, number 11. '44 Coupe, number 11, from 1992, HP7, part number 9021. It is rare. It's a 2 and dark blue. Runs pretty darn good on the dyno, almost 280. A little oil on it, Novus on it, and just gonna get a little 280 out of that. Looks like it's got a mean green armature in there. One of my favorite cars from when I was a kid, 44 Coupe. There we go. Get 290 maybe. Pretty cool car. This is an HP7. Has this long magnet here, chassis magnet. If this was a Hustler, it'd be the exact same chassis, except there would be no magnet. It would just be solid plastic across there, and it'd be a different type of armature that's designed to run on battery voltage and on electrical voltage. Probably most likely a lower voltage. I actually have one up here I can show you. Here it is. Yeah, just solid plastic there. No, and it's got a different type of a bulkhead. See, the bulkhead's a little different. But yeah, this motor here is designed for to run on battery. Yeah. So yeah, that's called a Hustler. They were designed for smaller kids that parents didn't want them having something that plugged into the wall. But yeah, this is HP7. It's a pretty basic chassis. You got your rear assembly, you got your front wheel assembly. The can pops out, the magnet pops out. You got two plates that go on the actual chassis, and those plates have a little they stick up, and the bulkhead has pieces like that stick out, and then they push up against those. And there's no spring on it. It's actually split. The metal plate is split, and it's raised up, and that's what causes your spring tension. If your tension ain't good enough, you can take it off, and you can take a jeweler screwdriver and stick on it and lift it up just a little bit, give it a little more tension. I might have to use my lighted magnifier to get this back on. Yes, I will. And that's how that works. Yep. Pretty cool chassis. It's very cheap and inexpensive to make. When I got out of the Navy and got my set out and was racing, and I got my cars out, and I had like, I think 36 bodies, only 32 cars ran. I needed more chassis, and I bought a couple of these, and I liked them, so I bought a bunch more. Yeah. These chassis, there's something about them that breaks. I can't remember what it is. Something on. I had a bunch of them I ended up having to throw away, and I only have a couple extra ones left now. But they are a real good chassis. They make an aftermarket spring right here that goes, I think, magnet. No, they make one for the Magnum 440. Hopefully they'll start making them for this chassis here, so you can pop that magnet out and pop. It'll be a plastic case with the these little earth magnets in it, and be one on each side. It'll be a lot stronger and better. Yeah, let's take this over to the track. And I don't know if I told you guys or not. You guys been sitting there. You've been looking at this Chicago police car. It is an Auto World, the new AMP chassis, donated to me by Adam Slot Cars and More, the original Adam Hurt. And that's what these two magnets are for, to hop these two up. And this is a lighted chassis. If I can hold it properly so you guys can see it. But it lights up these two lights on the hood. But they glued the bulb in, so I'm going to have to play around with it. I'm going to do a video on it, and you guys can check the video. It'll come out Wednesday or Thursday. But I will do a review on this car. Yeah. I don't know if I already told you this or not. I might have already told you at the beginning. But yeah, I'll do a review on it, and you guys can check it out. Let's put you on pause and we'll go over to the track. Kind of hard to see it, but really cool looking dark blue. It's chrome and the chrome hubs on it, you can see real good. Stands out, looks real nice going around the track. I was just thinking about that, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to stop and let it go by. And what does it do? As soon as I think that, it smashes into me and knocks me off the track. Thanks a lot, AFX. Pretty cool 44 Coupe Drk-Blu on an HP7 chassis. Always wanted a 44 Coupe when I was a kid. Never seen one in any of the hobby shops. AFX, never seen a Tyco. I knew Tyco made them. I seen them in the flyers. I mean, I could have used the order form and had my mom write a check for me with shipping and handling and everything, and sent off for one. They'd have sent me one in the mail, but I never did that. I sent chassis back that were bad. They sent me a brand new chassis. Tyco would, yeah. If I bought a set, had an issue with it. If I had it for a year or so and I broke it, I wouldn't send it to them. But if it was a brand new chassis and they could tell it's brand new and it's not running right, I'd send it back. Yeah. They sent me a brand new chassis. Pretty cool of them. Yeah, these HP7s are real nice. They run good. I like them. I mean, they're not as nice as a 440 x2 or a Magnum 440, but pretty much I think that's the same magnet that's in. Well, you know what? It's not. These magnets don't fit in a Magnum, and a Magnum magnet don't fit in there. They had to make them a different size on purpose instead of saying, hey, we got this universal magnet, which would have been real nice. Could have went to hobby shop and bought 3 or 4 of them, you know, 50 cents a piece back in the day. A couple bucks, I'd do some extra magnets. And I've had magnets break. That's actually what the problem was. I was discussing earlier. I couldn't remember what the problem was. I had magnets that were cracked. A couple of them. And I can't seem to find replacement magnets anywhere. I don't know if anybody out there knows where I can get replacement magnets. Not for the 440 Magnum. Yeah, for the HP7. I have Magnum chassis in here, and I have extra Magnum chassis. I should say extra Magnum chassis magnets. Extra bulkheads. But yeah, I got 5 extra magnets in here. But I don't have any extra HP7s. Whoever's making the aftermarket for the Magnums will probably start making them for the HP7 one of these days, hopefully. And then we can get them. And the chassis will go real nice if it has some better downforce. That car actually ran real good here. I liked it. Cool car, good numbers on the dyno, and she's a beautiful looking car. Looks real awesome with the chrome wheels and chrome side pipes. Front's all chromed. Yeah, they even put some red on the taillights, which is kind of unusual. There you go. Now you can see it. Kind of unusual for Tyco. Tyco usually don't waste money on that. Yeah. But yeah. Watch out the rest for the review on this amp chassis. I'll be doing that right after I get done with this video. And I'll probably post it for Wednesday or Thursday. And yeah, appreciate you guys coming in. If you want to support the channel, please hit the bell. And yeah, so you get notified. And if you don't like getting bugged, which I don't, I got notifications turned off on my phone. But it's turned on the internet. So you go on, and you go on YouTube on the internet. Not either on your phone or on a computer. And you can have notifications turned off on your phone, but when you go on the YouTube app, it'll have notifications on there. It's a silent notification. See, I got 6 of them up there by the bell. Yeah, you know, you just click on it, and it tells you someone likes your comment. And well, it's your phone's not beeping. You got to turn that off. It's just one of the most irritating things I've ever experienced in my life. is two things. One, group conversations. My sister will text me, and she'll have my mom, my brother, my daughter, everybody, my dad sometimes. My dad's like, and every time somebody replies, they go beep, beep, beep. Your phone's beeping, beep, 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 beep. Turn that shit off. And you like it on? Go ahead. It's very, very irritating and aggravating with somebody with an anxiety disorder like me. Cannot handle it. But, like I said, if I click on Microsoft Edge, not Explorer anymore, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, whatever you use, Firefox, when you click on YouTube and it takes your YouTube page, there's a little bell up there by your name, and that bell will have a number by it if you have it, notifications turned on. Appreciate if you do that. Subscribe if you haven't, please. If you ain't gonna subscribe, why are you even watching my videos? If you like the videos, then subscribe. And yeah, that's how you help the channel with that. And watch all the video, not just whatever you want to watch and I'm done with it and turn it off. Watch it all, please. Give me a comment. Please leave me a cool comment, and I will reply back. Appreciate that. Appreciate all you coming in and watching. And yeah, you guys have a really cool week. Like I said, watch out for that Auto World Amp car video. I'll be putting it out tomorrow or the next day. Appreciate you guys coming in. You guys have a really good week. Later.